Do you want to know the secret to the crispiest fried chicken around? Well, you're in luck because that's what we'll be teaching in today's video, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my kitchen where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style recipes. And today we'll be making chicken karaage. It's a Japanese fried chicken. Karaage is the Japanese term used to mean some type of meat, generally it's chicken, is dipped in flour and deep fried. So hele mai, come along and let's make some chicken karaage. First, let's talk chicken. Generally, most recipes call for skin on boneless chicken thighs. I'm not a huge fan of chicken skin. I know, don't at me. But I like to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now, really, you could use any cut of chicken. If you really wanted to use the breast, you could. But I find the thighs are the juiciest and keep in the flavor the best. Okay, so first you're gonna take your boneless, skinless chicken thighs and you're gonna cut them into about 2-inch squares, so maybe about a quarter of each piece, and you'll set that aside. Go ahead and go through all the pieces. You can cut off the excess fat like I did here. You'll just trim that off and put that to the side, and that'll be something that you'll toss. Continue cutting until you have all the chicken pieces cut up and set aside. Now, let's talk about the marinade. It gives the chicken all those juicy flavors. And it's all your classic Japanese flavor. Shoyu, sugar, sake, ginger, and garlic. And now for some of the classic flavors. First, the garlic. Instead of dicing it, I like to use this garlic press. I can link it in the description box below. It's a time saver for sure. Go ahead and press the garlic, and then you'll remove it from the garlic press, and you can set that aside. And now the ginger. What you're gonna wanna do is take off this outer layer of skin. Sorry, my grater has a turmeric stain on it. But anyway, you'll run the ginger over the grater to get these fine pieces. Now we're gonna put the marinade together. In a large bowl, add shoyu, sugar, sake, an egg, garlic, and the ginger that we just grated. Now mix that up until everything is well combined. Next, you're going to add the chicken into the marinade, mix it up, and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes in the refrigerator to let those flavors really sink in. And now what you've been waiting for, the 2 secrets. That's 4. The 2 secrets that you've been waiting for the ultimate fried chicken. Secret number 1, potato starch. That's right, potato starch. Use that to dredge the chicken. It creates this crispy, crunchy outer crust. I like to use that in replacement of flour. Now, potato starch can be found in most grocery stores in the Asian aisle. And if all else fails, Amazon. But if you can't find this, you can totally replace this with cornstarch. To the bowl, you're going to add potato starch, salt, and pepper, and then you're going to mix that up until everything is well combined. Now it's time to dredge the chicken. Remove the chicken from the refrigerator, and piece by piece, you're going to set the chicken into that potato starch dredge. Make sure all sides are covered. Remove the chicken and place it on a cooling rack set over a cookie sheet. Continue this with all the pieces of chicken until everything has been well coated and is ready to fry. Now let's talk about the oil. Generally, any mild flavor oil will work. The oil is heated up to about 350, so you can use vegetable, canola. In this recipe, I used avocado oil. You can use rice bran. There's a ton of different options. Pick what you like and go for it. Once your oil has reached that 350-degree mark, you're going to place the chicken into the oil, and you're going to fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you're going to flip halfway through to ensure that you get that initial crispy coating going on the chicken. And for secret number 2, it would be double frying. just like it sounds, you fry the chicken twice. So you put the chicken in the oil, fry it. The oil temperature will drop a little, so you take the chicken out, let the oil temperature come back up, and then put the chicken back in to fry. This really keeps that crunchy crust. So now that the oil has come back up to 350 degrees, you're gonna add the chicken back into the oil, and this time around you're gonna only need to fry it for another minute or two until golden brown, and the center temperature is about 165 degrees. Make sure to flip it halfway through so the other side gets pretty golden as well. Once that's done, remove the chicken from the oil and let it drain on that cooling rack. Look at all that crispy, crunchy goodness. And that's how you make chicken karaage. If you make this recipe or any of my other recipes, please tag me. I love seeing all your creations. It makes me so happy. If you like this recipe and you want to see more, check out this playlist here. Also, if you're more of a sweets fan, we've got some desserts for you in this playlist here. And until next time, ahui ho!
Thank you for watching my mom's video.